Welcome to session 20, and the topic of today's discussion is lipids. So in the previous sessions we have already discussed about what are lipids and the functions of the lipids and the classification of the lipids, and we have also discussed fatty acids. In our today's class we will be discussing about the structure of fats and oils. First we'll move on to triglycerides. Animal fats and vegetable oils are esters composed of three molecules of a fatty acid connected to a glycerol molecule, producing a structure called a triglyceride or a triglycerol. So we have three fatty acids and one glycerol molecule. Three fatty acids are connected to one glycerol, hence we call it as an triglycerol, triglyceride or a triglycerol. The fatty acids in a triglyceride molecule are usually not all the same. Natural triglycerides are often mixtures of many different triglyceride molecules. Fats are triglycerides that are solids at room temperature, usually derived from animal source, mostly saturated fatty acids. Oils are triglycerides that are liquids at room temperature, usually derived from plants or fish, mostly unsaturated fatty acids. And now let us focus on to the properties of fats and oils. Hydrolysis of triglycerides. Triglycerides can be broken apart with water and an acid catalyst or by digestive enzymes called as lipases. So it on the action of acid and water or the action of lipase, it can be broken down into uh, it can be broken down into various products. Saponification of triglycerides. In saponification reaction, triglycerides react with strong bases like alkali to form carboxylate salts of the fatty acids called as soaps. So soap is nothing but when triglycerides interact with the alkali, they produce a carboxylate complex or a salt. We call them as soap. NaOH produces a hard soap commonly found in bars. KOH produces a soft soap such as those in shaving creams and liquid soaps. These salts combine two solubility characteristics: a long nonpolar water insoluble hydrophobic uh, hydrocarbon tail, a charged water soluble hydrophilic head. So this is the mechanism how a soap mishal is interacting with the greasy material. In water, the tail becomes tangled, leaving the charged head sticking out into the solution, forming a structure called as a mishal. Hydrogenation. In hydrogenation reaction, alkenes are converted into alkanes with hydrogen gas and a catalyst like platinum or nickel or some other metal. This process is used to convert unsaturated vegetable oils, which are liquids at room temperature, to saturated fats, which are solids at room temperature. In partial hydrogenated vegetable oils, not all of the double bonds are saturated, allowing the texture of the product to be controlled. In the process, this twists some of the naturally occurring cis double bonds into trans isomers or trans fats. So we'll stop here for the further continuation of this lecture will be in the session 4. Thank you one and all.